Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a closer look at the brand new 2026 BYD Tang, an SUV that continues to redefine what modern electrified family vehicles should feel like. This latest update brings sharper styling, smarter tech, and even more refined performance, making it one of the most compelling options in its segment right now. The 2026 Tang rides on BYD's updated e-Platform 3.0 Plus, which focuses on better rigidity, improved crash safety, and more predictable handling. You can feel that structural stiffness the moment you hit the road. Body roll is reduced, and the SUV feels more planted than before. Dimension-wise, it comes in at about 4,900 millimeters in length, 1,950 millimeters in width, and 1,725 millimeters in height, with a 2,820 millimeters wheelbase. The track width sits around 1,660 millimeters front and rear, and ground clearance is roughly 190 millimeters, giving it that perfect mix of urban comfort and light off-road confidence. From the outside, the new Tang makes a strong first impression. The redesigned front end gets slimmer LED headlights with a crisp, modern signature, a wider grille, and functional air curtains that push airflow around the body more efficiently. Along the side, the clean shoulder line, optional two-tone roof, and new 20 or 21-inch alloy wheels give it a sportier stance. And at the rear, the full-width LED bar has been reshaped for a more premium look, paired with a sculpted bumper and a split roof spoiler that isn't just for show. It actually helps reduce drag. Overall, the Tang looks more aerodynamic and more upscale than ever. Step inside, and the cabin feels like a huge leap forward. BYD has gone for a more premium, tech-focused layout with soft-touch materials, brushed metal accents, and a cleaner dashboard. The rotating infotainment screen now measures up to 15.6 inches, while the digital cluster is a bright, sharp 12.3 inches. Comfort also gets a big upgrade with ventilated seats, enhanced padding, and generous second-row legroom that stretches beyond 950 millimeters. Ambient lighting runs across the cabin, storage areas are larger, and noise insulation has been improved to reduce wind and road noise. The boot offers around 510 liters with all seats up and over 1,400 liters with seats folded, so practicality is definitely a strong point. Under the hood, or more accurately, under the floor, you've got a choice of plug-in hybrid systems. The main variant combines a 1.5-liter turbo engine with electric motors producing up to 650 Newton-meters of torque and around 430 horsepower depending on configuration. The battery pack offers impressive electric-only range, and together with the eCVT gearbox, the Tang can hit 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in the mid-5-second range. Suspension tuning leans toward comfort, but still keeps the SUV composed in corners, while braking performance and regenerative levels give you smooth control in city drives. Trim levels bring plenty of features, including matrix LED headlights, 360-degree cameras, a premium audio upgrade, heated and ventilated seats, and a full suite of L2 ADAS functions like lane centering, adaptive cruise, and auto emergency braking. Pricing varies by market, but you can expect the 2026 Tang to start around the upper mid-range of the segment, offering far more technology and electric capability compared to similarly priced competitors. So, the 2026 BYD Tang stands out for its sleek design, smart tech, strong hybrid performance, and real-world practicality. If you enjoyed this detailed look, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more car reviews, and drop your thoughts in the comments below.